Just look at Bauer, refusing to eat a carrot as if it were a pineapple pizza at an authentic Italian pizzeria. Does he know all the benefits this vegetable has? I doubt it. And you probably don't know either. Well, not all of them. Did you know that carrots, this seemingly innocent vegetable, hold secrets that can completely transform your health and even your life? No, that's not an exaggeration. Today, I'm going to reveal some shocking information about carrots that will make you see them in a completely different way. And at the end, I'll share a secret tip on how to make the most of all their benefits. So stick with me. Before diving into this surprising information, let's start with something you probably already know. Carrots are famous for being rich in vitamin A, which helps with eye health, right? But there's so much more to them. For example, did you know that carrots weren't originally orange? They used to be purple, white, or even yellow. And the orange color only came about thanks to a Dutch experiment in the 17th century. It's believed this change was in honor of the House of Orange-Nassau, the dynasty that led the fight for Dutch independence. Interesting, isn't it? Now, here's the part almost nobody knows. Have you ever heard of falcarinol? This compound, found in carrots, is a natural antioxidant that, in recent studies, has shown potential for helping to prevent certain types of cancer. That's right. Eating carrots regularly can not only improve your vision, but also protect your health in ways you can't even imagine. In addition to being good for your eyes, carrots can offer protection against serious illnesses thanks to falcarinol and other antioxidants like beta-carotene. They also boost the immune system due to their vitamin C content. They improve skin health, protecting it from sun damage. They promote cardiovascular health because they're rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which reduces bad cholesterol levels and aids digestion. Preventing constipation, since they're low in calories and high in fiber, they keep you full and help with weight loss. They promote bone health with small amounts of vitamin K, calcium, and phosphorus. Despite their naturally sweet taste, they have a low glycemic index, which helps control blood sugar levels. Carrot nutrients like vitamins A and C promote stronger, shinier hair. And finally, they contribute to oral health when eaten raw, stimulating saliva production, which reduces the risk of cavities and improves oral hygiene. Phew, that's a lot. Now here's the secret tip. Eat carrots with a healthy fat source, like olive oil or avocado. That's because vitamin A is fat-soluble, meaning it's better absorbed by your body when consumed with good fats. And here's another excellent tip I'm sure not many people will follow. The way you prepare carrots can make all the difference. Cooking carrots whole, yes, without cutting them, helps preserve up to 25% more nutrients compared to slicing them before cooking. But if you can't manage that, no problem. The important thing is to include them in your diet. Bauer, for example, as you can see in the images, only agreed to eat carrots when I cut them into strips. But seriously, who eats an entire carrot in one go? We're not rabbits, are we, Bauer? So that's it. Did you enjoy these insights? This is just a taste of the kind of content you'll find here on the channel. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get more amazing tips on health, food, and fun facts while enjoying images of Bauer the dog. Leave a like and comment below what you know about carrots. Maybe share an unmissable recipe. See you in the next video.